who I am is like irrelevant, ma'am. I just want to see the other.
It is relevant. You're coming to a county building and asking me to look at stuff and take pictures?
You don't know where I live.
That's a good point.
You know my name?
You got your number, man.
That somebody in 2016 can be as ignorant as you. I sign in to go to the dentist.
Don't you think it's ignorant that you told me I couldn't film you before and now you found out I can?
I was ignorant. I was uninformed.
I've already been helped.
Okay, how can we take pictures?
I don't answer questions. I would like to see the MSDS sheets here.
Okay, we're a government building, you know that?
I do.
You have a government ID?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you want to be escorted out, or should I call the sheriff's department?
You're gonna escort me out of here?
Yes. This is a government building. If you don't have a government ID, you should not be in here.
Is it not a public?
No.
It's not?
No.
How come there's an open sign over there in the window?
Hey Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County COPWATCH, and I'm just letting you know that this is another video from a cop watcher in Charlotte County. His name is Ian McGuire. The county hates him, the city hates him, city of Punta Gorda, probably the state hates him, I don't know, but he is killing it, you guys. His YouTube channel is called So They Call It Freedom. And as you can see, he is doing very, very well. Many views, many different topics. It is so corrupt here, it's ridiculous. He deals with corrupt government, corrupt Punta Gorda police, the corrupt sheriff's department, the corrupt FWC. He is so good that he's been trespassed for life from a 2,000-acre park called Cecil Webb in Charlotte County. Because he fought an illegal name collection for anybody that shoots at the gun range. It's a county state-run gun range by FWC. It's a third-degree felony for them to collect names of people going in there. He fought it. They trespassed him for life. He was fighting corruption at the Charlotte County government, and this lady right here, just because people noticed that she was well endowed, and her boyfriend is a Charlotte County sheriff, got him banned for 1 year, trespass from the Charlotte County government. So you guys, if you could like and subscribe and watch his videos, we are cross-promoting, we are growing his channel in 1 year. As you can see by the views, we've grown it big time, and yeah, they freaking hate him. If they could take him out here, they would. Because he is killing it. Look all the videos, check him out, like, subscribe, share, etc. He even teaches you how to make bullets, man. He's a little bit of everything.